Fiverr claims to remain the biggest international system of freelancers. This website offers freelance placements in a variety of areas, from tech to graphic design to music to work. With Fiverr, you can accomplish either skilled or menial jobs. Fiverr showcases the variety of jobs that people can do for pretty low taxes. You may set the tasks for anywhere from $5 to $995. These jobs are called gig software. Most businesses are just $5 or $10, so while you might not get a lot of money, it is a good place to have for building the portfolio. How some do you need to get on Fiverr? How much can you get on Fiverr? These feelings aren't the one. If you're frustrated with Fiverr, think that the competition in the class is likely forcing prices down and customer expectations up, so change accordingly. After all, yet Fiverr advertises itself to vendors as a part-time, independent way, not a full-time work. Think, also, that customers are inclined to pay higher prices for vendors with higher reviews. The key to growing into productive on Fiverr is at delivering. Try to get above and beyond for the clients. Fiverr goes on the rating system, which defines the job as the individual on Fiverr. That higher the rank, the more customers you can make. Then always aim for the 5-star experience for every customer. Your freelance career on Fiverr depends on the reviews. You will do that by keeping in touch with the customer, letting them know the advance of their request. Give earlier than anticipated and constantly react promptly and professionally in the messages. Analytics is an understanding way which helps you to see analytics data about the Fiverr account and keywords. Fiverr Gig Rank Checker tool will get the gig's position for a given keyword. Fiverr Status Checker, browsing through Fiverr search results up to 10 pages and get the gig status. You will modify the knowledge and see the status improvements with some taps. Fiverr has outgrown its name, the holdover from when the organization began 9 years ago by providing gigs that gave only $5. Fiverr even lists some low-priced business, but the creator who made Apple's trademark today sells logo companies on Fiverr for $10,000, told Brent Courier, Fiverr's vice president of public policy and community. We've also used Fiverr to make up a business voicemail greeting for the dentist's business. That is another delivery Fiverr makes great for. The business greeting could get value up of $100 a couple of years ago, but on Fiverr, you will select from the number of excellent readers available starting in $5. We're recognized for our white hat form business companies, and one of our favorites couldn't be made without the assistance of Fiverr. White hat form building is all about making value for this object website. We do this by establishing custom infographics and pitching them to bloggers for writing on their site. When asked about what his favorite Fiverr gig is at the interview taken by Fiverr, Daniel Hull, CEO and co-founder of Hubble, as mentioned in the section earlier, tells that logo design. Having employed Fiverr's trademark designing companies for 5 to 6 years, he claimed that there were some multi-talented logo architects on Fiverr. Infographics have been utilized as effective tools to make people digest data with ease through the usage of charts, statistics, and optical information. With proper usage of magnitude, color, and negative space, data is transformed into not just remarkable attention-grabbing but also a compelling form of graphics. Fiverr has an extremely rigorous term about getting communication outside of Fiverr. I will see and still help that, but what it means is that while you are building up a better database of paying customers, you will not deal with them properly, and if you ever leave Fiverr, you'll never stay capable to meet them again and get them with you. The great thing about Fiverr is that anything you want to change the gig is likely sold by somebody else on Fiverr for a couple of dollars. And believe me, it's worth that investment. I gave somebody on Fiverr $25 to get a quick 30-second TV and gave someone else $10 to do the voiceover for it. This picture was easy and relevant, but no language was required, and this helped a lot because people hate to see. Fiverr is the way to the end, not the end in itself. You remember when you get shopping and the employee gives you the point-of-sale device where you steal the credit or debit card? This is what Fiverr is, it's the point-of-selling machine. Yeah, Fiverr advertises itself and hounds up some customers for you, but finally you're in the worker of Fiverr, you're the freelance who runs for yourself, and Fiverr is only the method by which you collect payments from your clients.